Hello, Revit lovers. This is our first screen of the Revit, and now we will start a new project from here. These are disabled, and as it open, it's enable. Okay, now we will start from the wall. There are different types of walls we see, and we can edit it according to our material. We can define a new wall according to our choice, our requirements. By default, we use generic 8. So let's start. Just click on it and draw a wall. There are different options for our wall. We can use them. Let's start the wall now. First click on the wall. Now you will see different options here like chain, wall center, core center line. I will show you how these options works. Let's start the wall now again. And here we see the option from face finish exterior, uncheck chain. Here draw a wall. And here draw another wall. Now the option is exterior face. Just click on it and you see the wall start inside. And due to unchain, it does not connect here. Now again, another option is interior. If we start up, it shows inside again. But if we start here, it's at outside. Again, if we start from top, it's inside again. But if we start the same wall from bottom, you can see it will goes outside. Again, look at here, core center. It's connected all around the core wall. Another thing I will show you, but we will delete the walls again. Select wall, select draw a wall here, draw a wall here, select the option core face exterior. It started again inside, and here you can see it does not connect. Now same option if we start bottom, and you can see it does not connect because chain is unchecked. Again selected wall, core face interior. It goes outside, but if we choose from bottom, it goes inside. From top, inside, and if we bottom, it will goes outside. This is our strategy, and when you will exit, it will connect it. Delete them all walls now. But before deletion, I will show you one more thing. When you cursor on your wall, just press tab and it will select all the walls. Delete will here. Again select wall, and if we select rectangle, you can see we can draw easily here. We can see their different dimensions, 108 feet and 72 feet. We can change it very easily. Just click on one wall and just click on the bottom. We will make it 90, and when we click here, then there 60. First cursor here, then tab, it will select all, then click here. Another way is we can select all the walls here, and other is just select a one wall and press SA, select all walls. Now we can move here in the center. If we see the 3D, just click on this home button. Here you can see shaded view. Now you can see this 3D shape. Now we'll delete it. Press delete button. Now select 3D. There is nothing. Again click on level 1. Click on modify and press short key WA for walls. Now choose an other shape, polygon. Now click on 3D and you will see a different shape. Here you can select circle. This will show an other shape. Okay, delete it again. Okay, one more thing I will show you. Select the rectangle shape. Now if we want to fillet the wall, what will we do? Just click on modify. So you first click on wall. Now we will fillet arc. Click here and select the shape. Click here and select another shape. The building will look like this. So for the modern idea, normally we will use wall look like this, and fillet from there. I give a value 20 feet, like 20 feet here and 20 feet there. The building will show look like this.